I think it's important for customers to come to the Reliability Summit for the fact that there are so many subject matter experts here. The ability to have at your hands people to talk to about your issues, what you're seeing, as well as get answers within the industries of different customers, different experts and whatnot.
You know, for me, the Reliability Summit is it was a place for me to get in touch with folks who are, you know, end users, customers, and folks who are in this industry. Just hear what they're doing and to, you know, broaden my knowledge of, you know, what's going on outside of the oil world, because, you know, I service, you know, people from the lubricant perspective. However, it's nice to hear what people are doing from the storage and handling perspective, the technology perspective, and then of course with the sampling and everything like that. What got me wanting to come to the summit was actually just looking at, you know, what you guys are going to be covering, and, you know, the way that technology is going to impact our industry was a big, you know, theme here at Integrate this year. So, you know, kind of seeing where, you know, oil, lubricants, oil sampling, technology, how it's all going to intersect. That's what the people who I'm talking to on a daily basis are talking about. So it seems important for me to be up on that as well.
I like the versatility of being able to choose the modules you want to go attend. I think that's the biggest thing that I've really enjoyed, was being able to choose different modules and not having a set group, you know, pushed down at you. Just here's what we have, and you can move out throughout the breakouts.
I think people should come to the summit is because there is so much information. There's so much time that is put into this and so much thought that goes into the summit. The people that I've talked to here, this is their third and fourth time coming. And that alone speaks for itself. If you're here for your third, fourth, fifth time, obviously you're getting something out of it.